Once upon a time, in peaceful village nestled amidst towering mountains, there lived a young man named Ramu. Ramu was known for his intelligence, kindness, and hard work. He possessed a natural charisma that drew people towards him. But there was one thing that held him back from gaining the respect he truly deserved. It was a set of total 6 habits that hindered his growth and development and prevented him from reaching his full potential. The first habit he was suffering from was the habit of procrastination. Ramu had a habit of delaying his task, always thinking that he had plenty of time to do them. This led to missed opportunities and unfinished business. His family, often commented on his potential and abilities, but also expressed concern about his tendency to put things off. Deep down, Ramu also knew that this habit was hindering his progress in his life, but he was not able to find the willpower to change himself. One day, Ramu came across an old Zen Master who had a reputation for wisdom and insight. He decided to see the Master's guidance, hoping to overcome his bad habits and find the respect he always craved for. For this, Ramu traveled to the top of the nearby mountain where the Zen Master was residing in a humble temple. The Zen Master welcomed Ramu with a smile on his face and asked him to sit down near him. Ramu began to tell the Master about his struggles with procrastination and his desire to be respected by others. Nodding occasionally after listening all this, the Zen Master, with calm and soothing voice, said, "Ramu, my young disciple, respect is not a thing that can be found lying anywhere. It is something that you have to earn. You have to be something due to which people had to respect you. They're forced to look up to you. To get respect of others, you must first learn to respect yourself, and to do that you must leave behind the habits that hold you back." Ramu's eyes widened with anticipation as he listened intently to the Master's words. He was eager to learn what the 6 habits were and how to rid himself of them. The first habit you must leave behind is the habit of procrastination. By delaying your tasks, you deny yourself the opportunity to grow and achieve greatness. Embrace discipline and tackle your responsibilities you have. Be mindful of the present moment because it is the only time that truly exists. Ramu nodded, feeling a ray of hope within himself. He realized that Master's words held a profound truth. If he could conquer his habit of procrastination, he would be one step closer to gain the respect he always craved. The second habit you must leave behind is self-doubt, the Master continued. Ramu, believe in yourself. You possess the power and ability to do extraordinary things. Trust in your abilities and have faith in your journey. Always remember that every great achievement begins with a single step. Ramu took a deep breath, absorbing Master's words like a sponge. He knew that self-doubt had often held him back, making him question his own work. But now, armed with the wisdom of the Zen Master, he felt a renewed sense of confidence and inner inspiration within himself. The third habit you must leave behind is the habit of negative self-talk. The Master advised Ramu, "Your thoughts have the power to change your life completely. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. Be mindful of the words you speak to yourself. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Encourage and uplift yourself just as you will." Ramu's heart swelled with gratitude for the Master's guidance. He realized that he had often been his own worst critic, tearing himself down with harsh words and judgments, but now he vowed to change himself in a very humble way and cultivate a more nurturing and positive mindset. The fourth habit you have to leave behind is the fear of failure. The Master continued with his words. Failure is not something to be feared, but rather an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace it with an open heart. It is through failures that we discover our true strength and resilience. Ramu felt a weight lifting off his shoulders as he absorbed the Master's words. He's always been afraid of failing, fearing the judgment and disappointment of others. But now he realized that the failure is merely a stepping stone on the path to success. After this, the Zen Master tells Ramu the 6th habit to stay away is the habit of the need for validation from others. The Zen Master said gently, "The true respect comes from within. Ramu, seek approval from yourself, not from others. When you live in alignment with your values and follow your own path, others will naturally respect and admire you. Now Ramu felt a sense of liberation in himself. He had spent so much of his life seeking validation from others, constantly comparing himself to those around him, but now he understood his worth was not determined by the opinion of others. He would forge his own path and find respect from within. This sixth and final habit you must leave behind is the need for control. The master concluded, life is unpredictable and you must have to embrace its ups and downs and let go of the need to control every outcome and surrender to the wisdom of the universe. Trust in the journey and have faith in the process. Ramu closed his eyes, savoring the master's final words. He felt a profound shift within himself, as if a weight had been lifted from his soul. He knew that the journey to leaving these 6 bad habits behind would not be so easy, but he was determined to embark on it with an unwavering resolve. After that, Ramu thanked the master for giving him the precious knowledge which he had not. He said, filling his voice with gratitude, "Master, your wisdom has opened my eyes and set me on a path of self-discovery and growth. I will leave these 6 habits behind and cultivate a life of discipline, self-belief, positivity, resilience, self-validation, and surrender." The master smiled and his eyes filled with inner joy. He said to Ramu, "Remember, respect comes from living in alignment with your values and being the best version of yourself. May your journey be filled with joy and the respect you seek." And so Ramu began his journey of transformation. With each passing day, he practiced leaving behind his old habits and replacing them with the new ones that brought him closer to his true potential. Slowly but surely, he noticed a change in himself and in the way others perceived him. As Ramu's discipline grew, he became known for his unflinching commitments to his goals. People marveled at his ability to accomplish tasks with efficiency and grace. As his self-belief flourished, he radiated an aura of confidence that inspired those around him. The negative self-talk that once plagued him was replaced with words of encouragement and self-compassion, creating a ripple effect of positivity in his life. With each failure, Ramu embraced the opportunity to learn and grow. He saw setbacks as valuable lessons, propelling him forward on his path to success, and as he embraced his own journey, seeking validation only from within, he discovered a newfound sense of freedom and authenticity of life. Ramu learned to surrender to the uncertainties of life. Releasing his need for control and trusting in the greater plan, he found solace in the knowledge that something was beyond his control, and he channeled his energy into accepting and embracing the present moment. As Ramu transformed himself thoroughly, the villagers noticed a change in him. Now people began to respect and admire him, not only for his intelligence and kindness, but also for his inner strength and wisdom he possessed. They saw a young man who had conquered all of his bad habits and became the best version of himself. And so the story of Ramu spread far and wide, inspiring others to leave behind their own limiting habits and embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Ramu's story became a beacon of hope and a reminder that the true respect could be earned by anyone who had the courage to leave behind his habits that hold them back. From that day onwards, Ramu continued to inspire others with his unbreakable commitment to growth and self-improvement. He became a mentor to those seeking guidance, sharing his wisdom and helping them to overcome their own obstacles. Through his actions and words, Ramu proved that everyone has the power to transform their lives and can earn the respect of others. As Ramu looked out at the village he once called home, he felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the Zen Master who had set him on this path. Gratitude for the lessons he had learned from him. And gratitude for the respect he has finally earned not by seeking it, but by leaving behind the bad habits that were proving to be obstacles in his path and held him back for a long. I hope you liked the story. And if you liked this motivational story, then don't forget to subscribe to our Be the Best YouTube channel. See you in the next motivational story. Till then, take care of yourself. See you in the next motivational story. Till then, take care of yourself.